7 trucks? Count them again. I think there's 6. Count them again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You got 7 trucks? Where's the red one? Where's the red one?
Right there.
Where's the red truck? Where's the fire truck?
Right there.
Where's the tow truck?
Right there.
Where's the dump truck?
Right there.
Where's the other dump truck?
Right there.
Where's the green truck?
Right there.
Where is the green and black truck?
Right there.
Yep. Where's the yellow and black dump truck?
Right there.
No, that's red and yellow. Where's the yellow and black one? Yep. Where's the black and green truck?
Right there.
There's the green truck. Where's the black and green truck?
Right there.
Yep.
How
How many trucks you got now? You added one.
1, 2, 3.
3 trucks?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 trucks.
6 trucks. Jesse, where's your big dump truck?
Is it right there?
Jesse, where's your big dump truck?
Okay.
What is that?
Coming back.
Is that a tractor?
A tractor.
What color is it?
Green.
Yep.